You've never seen an office like this, have you? But sysadmins like Jeff come here every day to these isolated, often cramped spaces to make sure your systems never go down. They're forced to work long hours, even on weekends, because of life decisions you've made. You might think, what could I possibly have in common with people like these? Don't they just keep the office hardware running, the internet on, fill the coffee machines, and avoid direct sunlight? You couldn't be more wrong. Like you, these sysadmins are hardworking employees. They're human beings with a full range of emotions and could just use a little appreciation and compassion. Here's what you can do to help. Bring them a coffee.
Hey Stephanie, how do you take your coffee?
Have you tried turning it on and off again?
No. How do you take your coffee?
Oh, with milk, thanks.
Deploy on a Monday, not Friday. Your sysadmins have weekend plans too.
Hey, Jeff.
Hey,
Thought we deploy the new app on Monday. How does that sound?
sounds great.
Awesome.
All right, man.
Enjoy your weekend.
You have a good one. All right.
Give them a nice office with ventilation and windows. Develop strategies together.
Hey Jay, I'm ready to deploy.
Okay. Do you have your monitoring set up?
No,
Do you have backups?
no,
What about a scaling strategy?
no,
Disaster recovery?
no. I'm just gonna go now.
And at the end of the day, give them a high five or a hug.
Thank you.
Well, maybe not a hug, but you can also send them an e-card. Just put in your sysadmin's email address and we'll send them a lovely thank you note. Happy Sysadmin Appreciation Day.